What up YouTube, your boy Tenken guys is here. Welcome back to another video. Today I have Facebook glasses by RayBan. Another video. I have another version of the Facebook glasses by RayBan, and this version right here is the round version. Okay, so CEO Mark Zuckerberg past couple of weeks has announced the Facebook Meta, and Facebook is going to be transitioning to the Meta, that is augmented reality and virtual reality. It'll be a space where people can work, play, meet with their friends, study, and all kinds of stuff. Putting the augmented and the virtual reality, bringing it into the reality, and that of itself is another topic to talk about in another segment. But in this segment, I'm here to talk about the Facebook RayBan glasses. Now, this is a smart lens. Now, if you have watched my previous video, I actually did a video on these glasses, but the previous one I did was on the shades. That was the G14 green, if I remember correctly. I decided to get the round clear version because it's easier to shoot videos and pictures at night. If I'm using the shades, it's kind of a little bit difficult when you're driving. It's not advisable to put shades on while driving or walking down the street, stuff like that. So I decided to get the clear version. This works when you're at work, wearing the clear glasses, you look more professional. When you studying or you gaming and stuff like that. And this blocks blue light, so it helps in different ways. Now, this glasses is gonna be at the forefront of what's to come with AR. Now with VR, as we know, the Oculus Quest 2 and other Oculus devices are the initial devices that will trigger in a new era of the Meta. So just as the Oculus Quest 2 is a device that will be used moving forward with more VR devices, the RayBan stories will be that initial device. Now, what am I saying by this? If you watch the keynote that Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, actually put out when talking about the metaverse, there was a segment where two girls were walking down the street and they saw an art piece and they wanted to show their friends. So they took the picture with their glasses, and then it transitioned from the real to augmented reality, and they were able to forward that in 3D to their friends and stuff like that. So the Facebook RayBan glasses was what they were using. It's not really that the Facebook RayBan glasses does that right now, but it's just telling you where it's gonna go from here. So this is already unboxed. As you can see, this is the packing right here. You got your leather case right there that looks really premium. I almost dropped that. USB Type-C charging will give you video footages of up to 30 seconds. And by the way, if you are a tourist, this glasses really works for you. If you're traveling out in the bus, walking down the valley or the ocean or whatever, you can take pictures and videos on the go. It's voice command, so you can say, hey Facebook, take video, hey Facebook, take pictures and stuff like that. You want to jewelry shop, you want to see something, or you see something that you like and you want to take a picture for long-lasting memory, but you don't want to be seen putting out your phone taking pictures like a goof. Just taking pictures with your glasses looks more subtle, and you can have that lasting memory. So it comes with USB Type-C charging brick. It comes with not a pouch, because you already have this case. It'll come with an extra bag right there that helps, so you can just put your glasses in there and tighten it up, or you can have it in this and carry it wherever you want to go as it charges. So you can charge the case, and then while you carry your glasses around, it can be charging right there while you move. And then when you want to use it, you just take it out and pull it out. And then more things here. You have your instruction manual case right there. Put that back in. You have the safety and warranty right there, and also you have the reference guide right here. So yeah, you get all the points. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. So this is what it looks like on the outside. I've done this video before, so I'm not going to spend too much time talking about it because I have. Now, this of itself is different from the other one I did. Go check that video out, by the way, because this is the round version. As you can see, it looks really nice. So you can put this on, put a suit on, you know what I'm saying, and you look crisp while taking videos and pictures. The frames, the difference between this one and the other version that I have was, or that I had was, or is, this right here is more, it's a metal feel right there. It's a metal finish. So the finish is metal. The other one wasn't metal, or it was dark metal. So when you describe it to someone, the buttons are not that visible, but with this one, the buttons are visible. As you can see right there, this is the picture button. So you can take pictures and videos at the same time by clicking the button, either holding it down and take a picture, or you tap it and take a video. And then on the other hand, you can see clearly right there, you see the on off button right there. So you slide this to the right and then it turns on, slide it to the left and it turns off, and the indicator is right there. If you see that as well, it's just right there. So when you slide this and hold it down for a while, the Bluetooth signal comes on for pairing. It's dead right now, so it's not going to come on, but Bluetooth signal comes on for pairing. You can pair it with your phone and download the Facebook View app on your device. It actually looks like this. Give me a second. It looks like this. So you have the Facebook View app right there, and you can click on it. You see, these are pictures and videos that I've taken over time with the glasses. You see me at the restaurant eating food, driving, at home and stuff like that. Like, you can just do various things with the glasses. So when you have done that and you paired your phone, it's pretty easy to pair your phone up. You can easily take pictures, and when you're done, it downloads to the app, and from the app you can transfer it directly to your stories, or you can just upload it directly to social media, whatever you want. So if you're on the street, you see an art piece that you like, a mural, you can easily just take a picture of it or take a video of it and post it on social media immediately. It doesn't take that long. Now, put this to the side. Now for the charging case stroke pouch, or whatever you want to call it, for the charging case, you have the, this is where you plug it in. So that's the dock right there, and then it docks in directly with the, as you can see right there. So that easy. So that's how you dock it, and then you close. Indicator right there shows that it's charging, and you see it keeps blinking. That means it's getting a juice. You can plug this in directly with your USB Type-C, but I have a bunch of Type-C cables already, so I really don't need to pull this out at all. I even use the USB Type-C on my PS5 for my PS5 controller, and I'm using it with this. So it just doesn't matter. As long as it's a Type-C, doesn't matter. As for compatibility, it's compatible with iOS and Android at the same time. It doesn't matter. As long as it's a smart device, you can just pair it up, either iOS device or iPhone devices, doesn't matter. Sorry, either iOS device or Apple or Android devices. Sorry about that, doesn't matter. It's pretty straightforward. So that's pretty much it. So like I said, this is really gonna be a starting point to what's to come, and as we know, it'll get more advanced from here. But as far as I'm concerned, this is the most advanced smart glasses that is out there on the market right now. As for price, the price of those glasses is $299 on Amazon for any version of the glass, either the round or the square versions with different colors, blue, green, G14 green, brown, stuff like that. Whichever color you want to get and whichever dimension you want to get. This is the 48mm dimension right here. If you want to get the 44mm dimension, you can have that too, but any dimension you get, the price is $299 on Amazon. So anyway, guys, that's it for me, and thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's more to come, and stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next video. And also hit that like button at the end. It really helps the channel grow. And I'd like to say thank you guys for watching the video. See you guys next time. Until then, stay safe. Peace.